In the first unit, we study the meaning, definition, functions, limitations, basic concept regarding population, sampling, methods of sampling, data collection, primary data, secondary data, then scales and variable. This is the first unit. And second unit, is diagrams and graphical representation.
अगं माझं नाव तुझं अक्की म्हणून आहे ते नाही का बाई त्याच्यासाठी नाही मी दुसऱ्यासाठी विचारलं
My dear students, please mute your mic and audio and video soon after joining the class. Otherwise, it will disturb all the members of the class. Soon after joining the class, please mute your audio and video. And whatever lecture I deliver, I'll upload in the Google Drive, and that Google Drive link will be provided to you people for your future reference. Okay. Suppose you are having internet problems or any doubts, then those doubts can be clarified by going through the videos uploaded in my Google Drive link. Okay. Okay, so don't worry about the internet problem or the voice problems. I'll upload my video daily to you people for your future reference, and you go through that. The first unit is complete, is the theory 1, and second unit is graphical representation and diagrams. I think this unit you have already studied in your secondary, means 9th or 10th class. That means the histogram is there, then pie chart is there, frequency polygon is there, like that. Different graphs and different diagrams already you studied in your 9th and 10th class. The same chapter we will study in the second unit. So second unit is diagrams and graphical representation. In the diagrams and graphical representation, we study what is the need for graphs, what is the need for presentation of data with the help of diagrams and graphs. Then general rules to be followed. General rules to be followed in drawing the graphs and diagrams. What are the rules to be followed while drawing the graphs and diagrams? Then what are the different types of diagrams? Bar diagram is there, simple bar diagram is there, multiple bar diagram is there, percentage bar diagram is there. Whatever you studied in your 9th and 10th class, you rewind it, you come to know something. And we will study all types of diagrams and the graphs. Histography is there, then frequency polygon is there, frequency curves are there, argue curves are there. It is a easy one, you can easily catch it. This second unit. In the second unit, graphs and diagrams are there. Okay. And the third unit, univariate data analysis. Univariate means a single variable data. Single variable data analysis, analysis of data. we study in the third unit. And this third unit is univariate data. In the univariate data, we study the partition values. Partition value means we will make the part and study the values. That is called as partition values. In the partition value, we study median, mode, then percentile, deciles, quartiles. These are the partition values. Definition of partition value. Then the examples based on partition value. In the partition value, we study first median, then quartiles, then decile, then percentile. These are the partition values. We will study these things. Then after that, we study the concept of dispersion. Dispersion means how and where, at what distance the values are there. What is the relation between the value? We study the dispersion, absolute and relative measure of dispersion. Absolute and relative measure of dispersion we'll study. Then quartile deviation, mean deviation, skewness, then coefficient of skewness we'll study. This is the big chapter which is having 3 to 4 chapters. This is the biggest chapter in the statistics. It covers 3 to 4 chapters. One is partition value, second is dispersion, third is skewness. Okay. These big 3 chapters we cover in the third unit. And fourth unit is probability and expectations. Probability means we have to forecast. Application of statistical tools to forecast the assumptions. Probable results. Use of statistical techniques to know the probable results. We study in the probability. Probability and expected values comes under the fourth unit. In the probability, we study the definition of probability, deterministic values, basic concept regarding random experiment, sample space, event, complementary events, exhaustive events, equally likely events, mutual exclusive events, then the meaning and definition of classical empirical values, definition of random variable, types of variables, discrete and continuous, and calculation of expected value. This probability chapter, probability unit, fourth unit is having 2 chapters. Probability unit is having 2 chapters. One is probability, second is expectation or mathematical expectation. 2 chapters are there in the fourth unit. And fifth unit is time series. In the time series, we study the meaning and definition of time series, uses of time series, and calculation of trend value. In the given time series, what is the trend? Upward trend, downward trend, and cyclical trend. What is the trend? We study the trend values. That comes under the fifth unit. And these are the 5 units. In the first unit, we study the basic things related with statistics. Basic meaning and introduction we study in the first unit, and second unit diagrams and graphs, that is also simple, and third unit is the biggest unit. In the third unit there are 3 chapters, and in the fourth unit 2 chapters. And last unit 1 chapter. Totally 8 chapters are there. 8 chapters are there for you people, and 8 chapters are converted into 5 units. In the first unit 1 chapter, second unit 1 chapter, third unit 3 chapters, fourth unit 2 chapters, and fifth unit 1 chapter. Like this, totally 5 units are there for your syllabus. We will study one by one in detail from the given period of time, and I will take this business statistics paper 1, and for the purpose of your study, you can use business statistics by Rajmohan book, or you can go through Dhareshwar. One more book is there, Dhareshwar. Dhareshwar and Rajmohan book are sufficient for your third semester study. You can use the 2 books, and some more authors are there. Bendre is there, Gupta is there. Like that, there are so many authors. You can go through all those books also. And I will try my level best to solve maximum examples. I will try my level best to solve maximum examples to make you people's perfect. Okay. And tomorrow onwards, I'll use the PPT. Tomorrow onwards, I'll use the PPT, and today I will not use the PPT because of general class. And while attending my class, you must attend along with your notebook and pen, and try to note down the points. Otherwise, you attend the class first, and then once again go through the video and prepare your own notes. First, attend the class. Second time, go through the video and collect your notes and be perfect. Okay. And every day I'll provide a video after the class in the evening.
Yes, sir.
And this is the basic thing. And anything, suggestion from you people, you are having 2 minutes time. You share your views related with the academic point of view. While sharing your views, you on your audio video and then off it. Okay, anybody? If your suggestions are there, or there something you want to tell me regarding your business statistics. Okay, anybody? Only 2 minutes time is it? My voice is clear. While delivering lecture, my voice is clear or not?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir.
Then what about language? Are you understanding my language or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Then about notes. If possible, I'll upload the notes, and exercise I'll upload. Okay. Exercise and questions I'll upload. Required notes also I'll upload, and you go through the
Okay.
notes and questions for your study. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, sir.